everybody. Today's video is going to be, gone too far, my clothes. I'm going to be sorting out my clothes, decluttering my clothes, organizing my clothes more, folding them back up. Behind my lovely, sorry about that, behind my lovely door I have 2 suitcases. One has like holiday stuff that like proper like holiday dresses that you ain't wearing in Manchester, bikinis and what have you, and then the other one has ma'am, and then the other one has my winter stuff in, like proper thick jumpers and what have you. My ideal is just to have it in one suitcase and have one suitcase free. That's hopefully what I'm gonna do, and I just want to organize this better. My drawers are a bit crazy. It's just not an amazing time, and I'm holding on to stuff, and I always declutter and I always continue to hold on to stuff. It's never positive. It ends really well because I get rid of so much, but I still have so much anyway, so that's gonna be my plan. We're gonna work through my 2 wardrobes. I have like a full wardrobe and then a half a wardrobe, and then I have 3 drawers. The top drawer is just underwear, which I'm probably gonna keep everything, and then the other 2 are, one is jeans and one is like totally random. So we need to get to work. So I have my coffee, quite a full coffee, just been made. I'm gonna drink a tiny little bit of this first to get myself a little bit more pumped up, not like I'm not energetic enough, and then we're gonna begin. So right, so I'm not going to talk through much of it. I'm just going to put you guys on like a montage kind of thing. This drawer is meant to be like casual tops and pajamas in the back. So as you can see, it needs to go through a lot, and I have a lot of black still. I used to work in MAC, so I had to wear black all the time. Look, all my colourful stuff's all the way down there. And then I have gym stuff, and then like I said, I have underwear. 2 bags out here. Those that are already full, I did those at the beginning of lockdown and charity shops were all closed, so it's already time for me to do another one. So we're gonna tackle through all this. I'm basically probably just gonna take everything out and divide it into like boob tubes, t-shirts, long sleeve tops, blah blah, and then go from there.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Right, I know this might still look quite messy for some people and not make sense, but this is the best way for me. I have tried to do this style of folding for my casual stuff, and it just gets, as you saw, crazy. It does not work at all for me. Just for like my casual tops, my pajamas and that, and my like pajama tops is fine. I'm able to do that, it's okay. These two are just like loungewear things. I've got some leggings here and then jumpers back there. Got my boob tubes and crop tops, and then vests and my casual bodysuits, and then t-shirts are here, and then long sleeve tops. But I know it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to everyone, but that will work for me. And now we have to do the one that I'm dreading, which is the gym drawer. I'm really scared about this drawer. What have I got myself into? Now I'm going to do this one slightly different because they are already organised, and obviously we haven't been to the gym. We're not allowed to go to the gym. Well, we are like in a few weeks, but we haven't been able to go for about 4 months. So everything is pretty much already in its place. There are just things on top, and I am just obviously going to go through and declutter anything. I also have my biker shorts back here as well, and the sports bra. I also have my biker shorts back here, and I live in biker shorts, so they're gonna all stay. I will declutter, I promise. When? I don't know, but it's coming.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit.
Okay, we're not going as well as I had even hoped myself. I will say, obviously, you know, I have done this in a couple of months ago. Basically, so my shelf on here popped off a little while ago, so I've been kind of like waiting to do this. So I'm going to take everything off the shelf, sort out my underwear, and then we'll build the shelf back up together and organize this and make it look pretty. And then we'll move on, no, we'll do down here actually, we'll move on to my jeans and what have you, and then we'll move on to the main bit.
But I'm all in.
Jeans that I'm taking to the tailor's to get fixed, and I also have a pair of jeans up here hidden in the miscellaneous drawer. So this one is the one that I need to be cutthroat with. So yeah, and there's another pair of jeans missing. Hang on, let me see if they're dry. Yeah, got another pair of jeans. Why do I have so many jeans for just me, and so many of them are new? I think that's the hard part. Oh, those are a defo. Those are never leaving my sight. Brand new Fashion Nova, brand new Fashion Nova. Those I've worn once. Brand new. These are quite big. so I can always get rid of them. Those are quite big, but they're nice to have like a plain dark set. Good, good. What are you? H&M, good. Good, 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 good. I like them all.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? I need us to be a little bit high, a little bit low, completely alone. On my own, but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around.
Okay, so that did not go well. I got rid of one pair, but they all fit now, which is most definitely the most important part. It's hard because obviously my back is freaking killing me. That's sturdy. I'm just gonna lean against this because, oh, it's hard because obviously prior to Miss Rona making her 4-month appearance, you know, I was working out more. I was in a current weight loss journey, and when the gym shut, I struggled. So like some of these jeans I brought for the summer I was assuming I was gonna have, and I have completely fell off, don't get me wrong, like I'm not blaming anyone but myself. But so some of them have still got their tags on and some of them are a little bit small. But I want to hold on to them because the gym's open next week. So we're just going to keep them. Okay, okay.
I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never want to watch the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. let you go. Can't let you go.
We are done, just with the battery flashing as well. So this is my pile of getting rid. I know it wasn't crazy. Like I said, I do technically still have, look at these back, I do have 2 black bags full already, and I only did this honestly like 2 months ago. And my style hasn't changed, and we haven't been able to go out, so I don't even know what I have worn, what I would wear, what I wouldn't wear. I'm so happy. I've got a spare suitcase free. Everything's back organized. All of my drawers. I'm so happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this live, stay tuned for the next episode, whatever it is. If you're watching it in the future, I'll leave the playlist down below. SophieBBeauty's beauty room, makeover, transformation, clothes, done. See you next time.